4 handy hacks. Our first hack is for jackets. Have you ever had a jacket but the sleeves are just too long? Here's how to keep the sleeves from rolling back down. Take 2 hairbands, one for each arm, and roll one up to the point where your arm creases. Then pull the sleeve up until you've got the length that you want. If the hairband feels a little bit too tight, you can use elastic bands or anything that will fit your arm. And there you go, no more stubborn sleeves. Hate when your socks show in your trainers? Here's a little hack on how to make your socks invisible. Roll the top of the sock down to your toes till it over flaps. Carefully pull the top of the sock and wrap it around the back end of your foot. To secure the sock, use the elastic that usually goes around your ankle and carefully place the trainer on top. And there you've got it, invisible socks. Here's how to hide your bra in your wrap tops. Take one side of the top and put it under the bra. Take the other side of the top and put it up the bra. And then wrap it around and tie it in a secure knot. And there you go, your sports bra's hidden. Do you have a t-shirt that you love but it's just way too long to wear with certain outfits? And every time you try to tuck it in, it either falls out or just looks terrible. Here's how to crop your top without cutting it. Grab 2 hairbands and on each side, wrap it in a bun. Then when it looks like this, just fold it up and under. And there you have it, it doesn't move and it'll stay there all day.